Shawty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shefi, and you're welcome to Shefi's Life. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you for clicking this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and your friends. On this channel, I film about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know the vibe. Thank you. Don't forget to share this, leave a comment, and subscribe. Today's video is going to be a Zara try on haul. I got a couple things from Zara and I decided to share it with you guys today. I'm gonna insert a clip of everything, giving you guys maybe not so intense but an intense review of every single outfit. I didn't really get much, but I'll try my best. I'll show you guys regardless. So let's just get right into the video. The first item I'm going to be showing you guys are these floral earrings, and they retail for $27.90. I absolutely love it. I love it. I like it. I'm a lover of statement earrings, so when I saw this earring I was like, I have to have it, so I got it. And it's not heavy. I don't think it's, you know, there's some earrings that you wear and then they just be weighing down on your earlobes. This is not one of them. This is just gorgeous. Gorgeous girls wear gorgeous earrings in 2023, period. I said it first. So anybody that knows me knows I love gold. I'm a gold person. I'm a golden girl. I'll pick gold over silver jewelry any day, anytime. So I got this gold leaf earrings from Zara, and I think it retails for $22.90. I like it too. Well, I like it. I like the color. I didn't think that it was gonna be this golden, but I like the quality. It's kind of heavy though, but still it looks pretty. I'll show you guys what it looks like for me. I'm gonna insert a clip obviously, but I like it and I'm definitely keeping this one. The next earring I got is this human looking earring. It has like a human being's face. It's for $22.90. I don't like these earrings, so I'm gonna be returning it. It doesn't fit the way I wanted it to fit. When I saw it on the website, it kind of felt like, I don't know, like it's a nice statement earring, but it just felt like a staple not moving. I expected it to fit like this, but it's drooping and I didn't like that. Of which is not, see, I said this one is heavy. This one feels like you're weighing metal. This one is quite light, which is not necessarily a bad thing. And this is what she looks like. I actually like her, but like she doesn't just fit the way I would want to wear it, so I'm gonna return it back. But I don't know, anybody might like it. That's why I'm putting in this video. You guys can like it. $22.90. Honestly, Zara earrings are very expensive, but if you like, a girl likes what she likes, so I'm gonna get it too regardless. Moving forward, I have one more earring to show you guys. The next earring I got is this ACETATE flower earrings from Zara, and it retails for $27.90. I have been seeing the Instagram girlies wear these earrings and I actually like it on them. I think I saw it on two people that I follow a lot. Afimo, I don't know, Afi. I call her Afi, but her name is Afimo because I'll leave her Instagram if I can, and I can't remember the other girl's name, but like I saw it on them and it was giving it's like, I don't know, it just looks pretty on everybody. I was like, I'm gonna try it. Like I just saw it and I was like, imagine my hair slick back and these statement earrings. Good, like something you can be wearing, something very basic, something very simple, and just let your earrings do the speaking. And I think that's what this earring does. It's doing the speaking for me. It's doing, I'm here, I'm the queen, the baddie is in the building, the bad bitch is here, okay? that's how I feel when I saw, that's how I felt when I saw these earrings. That's why I got it. And the first item I'm going to be showing you guys is this square neck bodysuit. I got it, obviously it's white. I got it in white, but this is a size, I got it in a medium size and it retails for $25.90. Such a stretchy material. That's the first thing I have to say. It's very stretchy. The material feels soft and I just like the square neck, and that's why I bought it. There was really nothing, there was nothing special about it. It just felt like a necessary basic outfit everybody should have, like a basic shirt, a basic bodysuit you should have, and I figured my wardrobe lacks this either way, so I got it. I also got this asymmetric cutout top, this red top. I got it in a medium size. This top retailed for $25.90. She's stretchy too, and okay, when I initially saw this top, I didn't think she was going to be this light. I thought the material was heavier. I thought it was thicker actually. But when it came, and it's giving light, it's giving hairy, it's giving you can wear it in summer. I don't mind that. I'm not mad at that actually. It's a good purchase. It's also a basic shirt. You can wear it over like a jean. You can try to dress it up or like dress it down. Regardless, it's giving brunch. It's not giving dinner. It's giving brunch. It's giving lunch. It's giving breakfast. It's giving hanging out with my girls later on. Yeah. The next item is this bodysuit. I genuinely did not know that this bodysuit is mesh. One thing I have to do, that I'm still learning, that I have to do moving forward from Zara, is check the material, and like check the material before I buy it, because it makes no sense. I genuinely thought this was like a regular bodysuit that I can wear in winter too if I want to, but you see this mesh material, is like I'm gonna return this one because this is not what I expected. I wanted something pink. I actually like if you know me, you know that I wear a lot of like earthy vibe looking tops, prints like this. I like all these prints, but I don't know it was going to be see-through. Like if I wear a bra, you can see my bra inside. You have to wear like a completely new like singlet or something inside. But why am I wearing this? Why am I spending $27.90 to still on an item, on a bodysuit that's supposed to cover me up, for me to still buy a cover up to now wear this on top? It does not make any sense to me. That's why I'm not keeping this item. I'm definitely returning it back. But she's soft. She's giving summer. She's giving clubbing outfit. You can wear this to the club. You see all those ones that you go to the club and you'll be sweating anyhow. Say no more. No more sweating. Wear this and you'll be fine. If you like clothes that are hairy, clothes that don't feel like tight, or feel like you have like so much material on your body and you want to breathe, this is my first recommendation to you. Let's move on. The next item I'm going to be showing you guys is my absolute favorite. I actually love it because it's giving a statement, and that's me. I like to walk into somewhere giving a statement. Okay, so this denim top, I got it then for $49.90. It has, I think it's a two-piece. It has a jean, but I wasn't able to get the jeans. The jeans sold out even before I could even get on the website. But this top, the back is like open. The first time I wore it to like a baby shower. Well, I don't know if you can wear it to your own baby shower, but you can find how. I feel like this dress is like a brunch outfit, a dinner outfit. You can wear it for breakfast. You can wear it literally anywhere except from church, or except from places where you have to look modest. That's the word. You have to look modest, because it's not really giving modesty unless you want to wear something inside and then wear this over it. But like, I absolutely love this top. Love is an understatement. If there was a word higher than love, I would use that. But I actually like it. $49.90. I think it's worth the price. And the material is thick. It still smells like me, obviously. The next item I'm going to be showing you guys is this linen pants. I'm also a lover of pants. I'm trying now to buy more, and I actually love the statement it gives. I think I'm a statement giver. I'm a statement clothes buyer. Once I see that the clothes is giving extra, I'm gonna buy it. Like, I like that you can, you know, unclip this part and clip it back. The only thing I don't like about this trouser is that it's not tall girl friendly. Literally, on my legs, like on my body, it's not giving tall. I can't wear heels with it because it will not look like my trouser is too short. So this top now, I'm keeping this out of greed, not because I necessarily need it, but I'm keeping it because I actually like it and I feel like it's needed in my wardrobe. But I can't wear heels on it, so I have to wear like sneakers, anything flat. That's how I have to wear the clothes. So, and I don't think that's necessarily a good thing. clothes that you cannot wear heels on. You cannot, like, you can't wear heels, you can't wear flat, you can wear flats, but you can't dress it up if you want to. I don't think it's something that you should leave in your wardrobe, but I am going to leave this in my wardrobe because I cannot just imagine having to give it back. It's not like I can exchange it for anything longer. It's the same length, everything. But if you're a short girl, no shade to you, yeah, you can wear this. It's gonna look long to you. And also, this is $49.90. I got it for $49.90. Actually, I'm actually upset. Let me not start with my drama of being upset, because I kind of bought all these things and Zara is gonna have sale next month. Do you guys get why I'm angry now? But this doesn't change anything. I still go to shop when it's time for the Zara sale. But I'm almost done. Actually almost done. I don't really have so much to show you guys anymore. But the last outfit today is this gorgeous dress. I had seen this dress on Instagram on somebody, but I saw it shorter. It was shorter and it was a different color. I actually like that color than this one. It's a one-hand dress, and the hand is made of mesh. It's mesh material. But when I saw this dress, it just gave me modesty. It was giving me, it's giving me grown woman vibes. It's giving me body but grown. It's not exposing or anything. It retails for $59.90 and it has a lining inside. But the only thing that I realized is that even with the lining, if you're wearing like regular panties, you're still going to see the line of your panties. So you might have to wear like a seamless pants on that, so it doesn't like show the lines or anything. But the clothes is nice, of which it has like a slit inside. Like the inner lining has a slit, so it's showing too much, but then being modest at the same time. You're not showing too much, but like it's giving slutty and modest. That's the right word. But I saw it and I was like, I can wear this to church. Thank you, God. It's giving church outfits. It's giving all it has to give. Honestly, I love it. And I got this in a size small. I initially was gonna get a medium size, but the medium size was sold out. Honestly, I'm the Zara shopper that we buy the size that is available, as long as it's not in a large. It's between small and medium. I forgot to mention, with the denim top, the clasp at the back is not so tight. So for me, it would have been easier if I sized down. So instead of getting a medium size, I'll have gotten a smaller size, so that way if it's more fitted. But either way, it's still nice. If you're my body shape, you can get yourself a medium, but I would advise you get a small. Okay everyone, this brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you get any of these outfits, let me know in the comment section which of the outfits you get. I'll try to leave a link to all the items in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you like this video, don't be a hater, just click the like button, okay, and share with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.